Hi folks, it's Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ. Hope you're all well. The second part of this little series is a bit more of an in-depth look into temperature control. So this will apply to any barbecue. So basic physics, you have a sealed container, assuming your barbecue doesn't leak and let air in. So a sealed container, your air in must equal your air out. So the air coming into the bottom of your barbecue gets heated up by the coals, passes over your food, cooks it a little bit more, and then escapes through the vent. This simple rule will help you understand how to set your vents on the barbecue. So you can control your barbecue temperature with vents on the bottom or the top. The bottom lets air in, okay? So if you have that fully open, you will let all the air in and it will pass over the charcoal and then out. That's a good thing. So that gives you a level of controllability. It's like the accelerator pedal on a car. If you want to control your barbecue with the vent out at the top of the barbecue, that basically is keeping the exhaust gases from combustion in the barbecue. The combustion goes slower, so you're not getting fresher air over the barbecue. So you can control your barbecue using the top, but I prefer not to. I prefer to control my barbecue using the air inlet going in. So going back to what I said first, the air in must equal the air going out. And that is the simplest way to think of heat control on your barbecue using vents. I hope that's helped you. And if you enjoy what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, please tell other people about these videos, please share them, and please comment below which do you use, the top vent or the bottom vent, and how do you get on with both. Okay, take care. Cheers.